Hi, good day once again. This is Kutsam tayo po mga boss. Bumabalik sa atin pong episode for today. And then sinabi ko na sa inyo na kapag matapos na po yung baptist ng atin pong expert advisor version 2 regarding sa $100 deposit sa tech database na atin pong niran. Nako, inabot po 4 days saka natapos. Grabe, oo. Gano'n talaga mga boss. So ngayon, I'm excited to show you para makita po natin and also ma-evaluate po natin if this AI is maganda ba. So samahan po ninyo ako sa atin pong episode for today and I would like to show to you the performance of our expert advisor. Okay, so we will use this MT5. MT5 po yan ha. So sa lahat po ng before natin to discuss sa lahat po ng gusto ng AI na 'to, mga boss, again, I will be opening a new 10 na slot para mabigyan ng free file ang bawat isa, 10 lamang 'yon. Okay, message ako sa WhatsApp ha. Alam niyo na, boss, or either you can mamaya i-flash ko yung WhatsApp number natin. Now, ito na mga boss. First of all, ito po yung graph ng atin pong expert advisor, running with $100. Ang gusto ko sana nito, 1 year backtest kaya lang, natagalan, oo, 4 days, na ang bagal kasi boss. Ito sa settings, so bali ang ginamit natin dito is Everytech based on Realtek. And if you are AI developer, alam nyo po na pag yan po i-run natin sa backtest, talagang napakatagal. Napakatagal. So ang gamit natin dito is gold and then time cycle version 2. And then nakita nyo boss ha, walang edit to ha. So ibig sabihin transparent itong performance niya. Time frame is 1 hour, started with 2026-01, tapos 20 meaning January up to 2026 November. November ba to? 08. So January to November, yan yung ating backtest. Ilan ba? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, August. Okay? So ibig sabihin 8 months. 8 months boss yung kaniyang run na ni-run natin dito ha. So i-try natin itong $100 na AI. I-backtest natin from January 2025 up to December 2026. But 8 months is good enough for us to determine if ito ba ay maganda or hindi. Again ha, ang deposit natin is, ayan boss, oh, $100 na deposit. Mamaya makikita nyo naman to eh. Tapos every tick based on real tick, boss. Again, inabot natin 4 days saka natapos. And as you can see here, I would like to show to you the inputs. Ang atin pong inputs dito is 0.01 na lot size. Ayan boss, nakita nyo ha, 0.01 na lot size. Tapos ang kanya pong SL is 0.50. Nako, talagang manipis yung SL ng atin pong AI. So now let's first show you the graph. Okay, dito curve tapos bumawi, curve uli, bumawi, and then umakyat. Dito medyo losing tayo rito on this area but bumawi and then ganon. So ibig sabihin, ang AI kasi natin hindi po martingale boss, hindi din po grid. Kung baga, pag magbato yan ng trade, sinabi ko na kanina, meron siyang tinatawag natin boss na SL. May SL itong AI natin. So that's the reason why that the AI can preserve the account. Dito tayo sa backtest na para makita natin. High history quality 100%. Grabe, ito yung gusto ko. Yung kanina sa version 1, parang 38% yun, no? Ito 100% boss, oh. Napakasulit. Boom, boom na boom.
Awesome!
Okay, boom na boom to. Initial deposit, ayan na, $100. January up to August, boss, ang kanyang profit is maliit lang naman. That's 1,000 USD. Mhm. So, kung gusto niyo po na maging malaki ang profit, well, pwede niyo pong sabayan ng manual trade, boss. Oo, yung AI. Well, maximal drawdown natin, we have 49%. Okay? So, I think this is enough sa atin na 49% yung drawdown. Bakit? $100 kasi deposit eh. Okay? Imagine po ninyo, $100, $49, that's ano, that's sa akin based on experience, this is good enough for us to determine na maganda na with $100 deposit tapos 49% na drawdown. Imagine nyo, January to August yan. Profit niya is 1,000 USD. Profit factor 1.43. Imagine niyo boss 100% yung tawag nito yung history quality. Grabe to, grabe na grabe. Okay, so let's see here now. Entry niya week. Um, tingnan natin boss Dito profit versus losses. Ito yung tinitingnan ko eh. Boss, ito yung tinitingnan ko. Profit and losses by weekdays. So dito sa sa Monday boss, Monday, grabe pumaldo sa Monday boss. Pagdating ng Tuesday losing. Okay, routine to routine for 8 months. Tapos Wednesday, pumaldo. So ibig sabihin ang winning winning is Monday, Wednesday, tsaka Thursday. Pagdating naman ng Friday tapos Tuesday, losing niya boss, nakita niyo? Losing, 'di ba? So now, pagdating naman dito sa monthly boss, profit and losses by month. Pagdating ng January, talagang umakyat ang profit. Pagdating ng February, same pa din, almost break-even tayo sa February. Pagdating ng March, talagang bumigay ng magandang profit. Pagdating naman ng April, ayan boss, profit pa din. March, losing tayo for the month of March, boss. Dito kasi sa month of March talagang volatile si market, unpredictable, maraming manipulation ang nangyayari. But pagdating ng June, ayun, bumawi. And then July, break-even. Pagdating ng August, talagang pumaldo. Mhm. Okay, so ito yung entries by month. Okay, January, February, March, April, May. Ilan ba yung maraming entries? That's February, no? February, maraming entries po ang EI natin. Okay, so again mga boss, ang EI na to, $100 deposit, 100% history quality, and also the maximal drawdown is 49% with the deposit of $100. So ipinakita ko na sa inyo. Hindi po edited yun. That's actual result. Ito na. Gusto niyo po ba ng EI na yan? I-message ako, boss. 10 tao mabigyan natin ng libre. Oo, free gift ko na. Maagang pamasko ko na sa inyo. Oo. Message ako, boss. Ang WhatsApp natin, ito na. I have to show you the WhatsApp number para naman po paano ninyo ako i-reach out. 'Di ba? Ganun yun. Okay. So let me check here. This is our expert advisor. Ito po yung WhatsApp number natin, 090747866569. Again, 090747866569. Okay? So message nyo na po ako. God bless everyone. Enjoy the rest of the day. And of course, if you want to be successful in any business, all you have to do is invest yourself when it comes to knowledge and also in a good software. God bless.